We extend our sincere appreciation to Diksha Oracle Training Centre for their unwavering support and dedication to educational advancement within our community. Their generous sponsorship has enabled us to offer valuable resources and opportunities to individuals from diverse backgrounds. Thanks to the commitment of Diksha Oracle Training Centre to empowering young minds, we are making significant strides towards a more educated and prosperous society. The success story of Diksha Oracle Training Centre began in 2020 amidst the modest surroundings of North Bihar. With a vision to uplift the youth of the region, the centre embarked on a mission to redefine the concept of success. Their goal was not just to impart technical skills, but also to prepare students for the challenges of today's workforce. From the outset, their efforts yielded remarkable results, evident in an exceptional 100% placement rate within a short span of time. Fueled by a commitment to excellence, the center expanded its offerings to include corporate training for prestigious companies like Cognizant, L&T, among others. This recognition propelled them onto the national stage, establishing them as a beacon of innovation and talent. However, the true measure of their success lies in the stories of their students. Originating from small towns and rural areas, these individuals found in Diksha Oracle Training Centre not just an institution but a gateway to success. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology and practical exposure, they surpassed expectations, forging rewarding careers in the tech industry and beyond. Today, Diksha Oracle Training Centre stands as a testament to the transformative impact of education. By nurturing talent and breaking stereotypes, they have demonstrated that greatness transcends geographical boundaries. As they continue to forge ahead, inspiring the next generation of leaders, their journey remains one of ongoing discovery and achievement.